Imagine waking up and before you've even had a chance to check your emails, your phone lights up with a completed summary of the work you needed done today. A standard chatbot waits for you to type a prompt before it does anything. An autonomous agent runs continuously in the background, executing tasks entirely on its own. Over time, it learns new skills based on your workflows. You can assign it a task, set a schedule, and let it deliver the results without asking it twice. To build this, you need 3 components: a virtual private server to host it, an OpenRouter account to give it a brain, and the Telegram app to control it. You do not need to write a single line of code to set this up. By the end of this video, you will have enterprise-grade AI automation running entirely on your own terms. Step 1 is securing the hosting environment. Go to Hostinger and select the KVM2 plan. This layout shows the 2 CPU cores and 8 GB of RAM you will receive, which is exactly the capacity we need. A 12-month commitment is the most efficient pricing tier here. We use a remote cloud server instead of your personal laptop, so the agent stays online 24/7. If you close your laptop lid, a local agent dies. A cloud server never sleeps. Next, we configure the logic engine. Go to OpenRouter, create a new API key, and name it Hermes agent. OpenRouter connects your server to hundreds of language models through a single entry point. Cautionary: while generating the key, set a hard spend limit. Because your agent will run continuously in the background, this acts as a financial guardrail so you never exceed your budget. Before leaving the site, go to the Credits tab and load a balance. An empty API key will cause the entire setup to fail immediately when the agent tries to process its first thought. By combining the constant uptime of a cloud server with a funded API key, you have built the technical foundation required for autonomy. Now we need a way to talk to the agent. We will use Telegram as a remote control, allowing you to manage your workflows from your phone or desktop. Open Telegram and search for BotFather. Type the command /newbot. Give your agent a name. When it asks for a username, make sure the text ends exactly with the word bot. BotFather will generate an HTTP API token. Copy this text immediately and keep it private. Find the deployment template. Paste your OpenRouter API key into the first field and your Telegram token into the second. Click Deploy. The server will spend the next few minutes downloading the necessary packages and building the isolated container. Injecting these keys during the initial deployment securely connects your private server environment directly to your public Telegram account. Once the deployment finishes, look at your Hostinger project overview and write down the unique 4-letter ID assigned to your server. Open the browser terminal. Navigate to the Hermes agent Docker directory using your 4-letter ID, then press Enter. Next, type docker compose exec bash it Hermes agent /bin/bash. This command moves us inside the isolated container where the software actually lives. Type Hermes model and press Enter. You will see a list of AI models. Use your arrow keys to scroll down and select a cost-effective option, like GPT-4o Mini, to act as the active brain. You might see warnings about missing variables in the terminal. Ignore them. Accessing this menu proves your container is fully operational and ready to communicate. Open your newly created Telegram bot and click Start. The bot will reply with a unique pairing command. Copy that entire string of text. Paste that command into your browser terminal. This authenticates you as the sole owner. To test the connection, ask your Telegram agent to search for today's top AI news. It executes a search and delivers a summary directly to your chat. Now send one more message. Tell the agent to run this exact job every morning at 9 a.m. Central Time. Establishing this cron job confirms that your system has transitioned from reacting to your prompts to proactively managing tasks on a schedule. The agent will reply with this confirmation that your daily job is scheduled. Your automated news briefing is now locked in. This is just one basic workflow. The Hermes framework ships with over 70 built-in skills, covering tasks from managing GitHub repositories to organizing your Google Workspace. To add more capabilities, prompt your agent directly in Telegram to ask what skills it has available, and it will guide you through setting them up. You have taken raw cloud infrastructure and molded it into a persistent digital employee. Your agent is now ready to scale productivity around the clock.